Kota Beach, the most beautiful beach in Bantayan Island, located just outside of Cebu. This beach offers beautiful white sand and crystal clear water. As you can see, this is a really peaceful beach, especially at the middle of the day when the sun is most intense. But in the mornings and evenings you may expect a little bit more people. This is a natural beach, so some stones and seaweed must be expected. But it's not that bad, you don't have to wear shoes or anything, as you can see in the video. We're told that it's not the best place to snorkel, as they have been dynamite fishing here. But there's a lot of day trips going to the neighbor island if this is something you would want to do. Anyways, just swimming by itself is so amazing on this island, especially with the view you can see here in front of us. If you want something to eat or drink, you can just walk over to this place, which I believe belongs to Kota Beach Resort. Here you can see us really happy about this opportunity. Soon here we will also show you our favorite restaurant at the beach to watch the sunset in the evening, as well as a great hotel nearby the beach where you will get good value for your money. Here you can see how beautiful this beach is even in the evenings. As well as I mentioned earlier, that now is more people than in the middle of the day. And here is just a quick clip of the sunset restaurant I was talking about. And here in front of us you can see it. It's just like 4 minutes walking distance from the other restaurant we showed you. Yeah, so this is the place we have been having good times. Stumble In Beach Club. Sorry for not showing you the sunset, but you get the idea. And if you want to try a new beer, we can really recommend the Gold Eagle. As promised, we will also show you our hotel recommendation. The beach where the arrow is pointing is just about 20 meters away. The hotel is called N&F Guest House. And it's a really basic hotel, but it's very good value compared to the other hotels on this island. It's also very central in Santa Fe, which is where everything happens. Depending on your room, you may hear some noise, but after 11 o'clock it's always quiet. We will leave a link to this hotel in the description. If you learn anything from this video, make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel right now. Just click on the subscribe button. Also, if you want to know more about this island, check out this playlist where we show you how to get to the island and places to visit. We hope you have enjoyed the video and we see you next time.